Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes or hashtag Satmorn makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and hashtag two crafters, one design is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva. And so this week, if we should have told you last week that this week we were focusing on anything my creative time, and so yes, that's what we're focusing on. And when I say I have such a cute, and I use some of her older products that's retired, so sorry about that. But anyways, let's jump right in. This is not retired, however. I am using this paper and the gray right there, so the striped gray in that one. I am also using from Fun Birthday. I'm using this color here. Sorry that the front of that is gone. I used the cover. From CC Designs, I am using this little cutie right here. Okay, my creative time. Like I said, I went way back for this one. I am using the big birthday hat there. So it looks like that. And it's called Party Hat Dies. And then this one here, and I don't know what this is called. Fun Bubble. Well, that goes with that, but I don't know what this one. Oh, there it goes. Lots of greetings. My creative time, and that I'm using Best Wishes, and I want to say this and this right here. These two. And that's that Fun Bubble. And then I'm also using the torn paper frame dies, the layers, as well as the regular torn paper frame. So I've got that, and I have that. And let me show you this adorable card. It just turned out just so cute. Love it. He's on an action wobble. He just looked like he was in a marching band or something to celebrate a birthday. Just too cute. I love it. And so there goes the My Creative Times papers. I forgot to get that one out, but sorry about that. I want to say this is from her previous release, like the spring paper pack or something like that. I don't remember, but yeah, I love how this turned out. He's just adorable. I did fussy cut this. I heat embossed it and then fussy cut it. Love it. And then, oh, I forgot to get a stamp for you, but there goes that. Let me grab that stamp really quick. And there goes that stamp. It came from LDRS. Have a very happy birthday. Love that stamp as well. I kind of wish I had done it in a gray color or a different color, but this will have to work because it's already finished. But love how that turned out. Check out the picture at the end. Make sure you visit everyone who I had mentioned, which is Jillian Norwood, You See Why I'm a Diva, and Girliest Cards, and I'll have their links down below. That's all I have for you. Oh, before I go, next week's theme is Christmas in July. So anything Christmas next week, join us. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.